Hey guys, so I'm going to be showing you guys how to solve the Rubik's Cube in 5 seconds. So this is what you're going to want to do. Okay, to scramble it, there's going to be one algorithm, and to solve it, there's going to be another algorithm. The scrambling algorithm consists of 17 moves, and the solving algorithm consists of 7 moves. So here we go. It's down, first, go down, down, L2, yeah, L2, and then back 2. So I'm doing this backwards though. Back 2, right? L2, R2, F2, R2, up 2, wait. Wait a minute. Up 2, R2, down inverted, up inverted, right inverted, face, back, left inverted, down inverted, and R2. Okay, it looks like it's scrambled, right? It's not. Trust me, it's not. This is not scrambled. This is nothing close to scrambled. Okay, so that was the algorithm to scramble it. Now it's time to solve it. So what you're going to want to do is put it to where you can see this little L. As you can see there, this little L. It's backwards for you. So it for you guys it should go this way. Since it's backwards, so it's vice versa. Not everything, but just copy this. And then what you're gonna do, make this your face side. Okay, now do right inverted, not right inverted, R2, down inverted, left inverted, face inverted, back inverted, right inverted. Wait, is that right? Oh wait, right inverted, and then up inverted. Then just keep practicing that, and you should get it. So, thanks. Thanks for watching, and see ya.